Xiamen Amoysolar Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the solar designing, producing, and selling. Amoysolar has been one of China's largest solar products export enterprises, serving markets including Japan, Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe, America, Africa, and other more than 100 countries and regions. Certified by SGS CE IS 9001, Amoysolar is strong at various solar mounting solutions for residential, commercial, and utility solar projects, including roof mounting system, carport mounting system, agricultural solar system, and floating solar mounting. ODM and OEM services are both available. You are easy to get the perfect product as well as the whole professional supports. What can you benefit from Amoysolar? 1. Source factory, direct factory price. 2. OEM and ODM are available, kinds of solutions. 3. Max pre-assembled and shipped, easy to install, big saving on labor and time. 4. Free sample, good to test the quality before bulk order. 5. Long-time guarantee, 10-year warranty and 25 years service life for durable and reliable use. Thank you for allowing Amoysolar to be partner of your business.